We're always trying to create the most efficient process we can because honestly, efficiency saves money. We're an ad agency, but we also do all the production end of things. This is a studio that's built in a distribution warehouse for one of our clients, and there's some real benefits to that. We're able to intercept product before it hits the fulfillment center. Thus, we have that ability to write the copy and take the images and have those hitting the website about the time the product gets to the fulfillment center.
What we're up against on a consistent basis is speed to market. How are we going to get this garment out there as fast as possible? We started looking at our conventional methods of digital photography, and was that going to be able to do the trick for us? The answer was no. We needed something that was going to be far more efficient for us and actually take up a little bit less space.
With a StyleShoots machine, we can shoot the equivalent of what we would have done on 3 traditional sets in the same amount of time. But it only takes up the same square footage of a single traditional set. So StyleShoots actually offered a solution that we had no other answer to.
There's a very short learning curve on the machines. They're very intuitive, so we were able to have stylists man these systems and have all of the lighting preset for them, and so that they're looking and they're clicking a button and it's done. So from the operational standpoint, it was a huge labor reducer.
All of it is really just great from the beginning to the end. I mean, I essentially can come in here and work anytime I want, alone, not depending on anybody, and doing as much as I want. So that in itself is pretty great.
The process through which an item goes to get from a truck to the web is quite interesting. Our client takes care of finding the items that need to be photographed, and they hang those on racks right outside our studio. The items then are brought over to the photography area. Preppers will prep the items, steaming them, and then our stylists will dress and undress the mannequins, shooting them. And from there, any images and copy we push will be on the website live the very next day.
If we were working in a conventional studio, we would not be producing as highly as we are now, and of course we're about 3 times over.
Embedded solutions like this are truly the best way to accomplish that.
It is working spectacularly, and we're going to want to use this model over and over again as we continue looking at different retail clients.